Alrighty, we're back in action. So what happened, Xavier? Fill us in.
New spark plugs, and I'm getting new spark plug wires. I got a new cap and rotor. This thing cranks over on its own. I'll show you.
Good action. Oh yeah. Okay. So what? It's not getting fuel?
No, half of the spark plugs are out. Over half of the spark plugs are out. There's one spark plug hole over there that's covered in gunk. Somehow, some way, I need to figure out how to get all that chunks out of it.
Huh.
And
Spray maybe some sort of degreaser or brake cleaner or something in
I
there?
sprayed Freon on it. That's why it looks so red.
Okay.
Because I think that hole's rusty. But right now, in a sense, I don't care. It's one of those things I'll figure out down the road. Because I got other stuff to figure out, like how to detail this.
What are you thinking?
We're gonna try to get it back on the trailer once we pick up that Mustang. But that might be a little bit because I'm pulling the engine out of that Mustang and rebuilding it. I'm gonna have two side hobbies.
There you go, that'll keep you busy.
Yep, one for home, one for here.
Okay.
I realized what I did wrong here.
He's knuckle deep. Did you even ask for permission?
No, this is non-consent. But I realized what I did wrong. Alright, I'm not an amateur, I promise. Today's just an off day for me.
You're also 18. It's not... Nobody expects an 18-year-old to just know it all.
Well, I put the spark plug in backwards.
That's a little unique.
It wasn't tightening and I was turning. I'm like, okay, something's right here and well, that's not good. Now I can't get it out. It's okay, I'll grab a magnet. Start on the others.
No, just crank her over.
Actually, that might work.
It's a 7-cylinder.
Actually, that might work. Pop it out.
You wanna watch? He's gonna try to crank it, right? Sure enough. It's out! It came out! Yeah! That was wicked. That was cool.
Really?
Just straight up popped out.
I guess I am smart. Okay, there you go.
There you
Fix
go.
my own mistakes.
All right. That's funny. That was great YouTube content.
But it's getting... She's getting there.
You could just take it to a pressure washer.
That was the plan.
And dude, that's all it would take. It'd be a whole new truck.
I was thinking about degreasing the engine. I need somehow to cover up the carburetor and all the vacuum lines.
Yeah.
Because there's open vacuum lines there for the air cleaner and shit. But now degrease it. Then once I get her running, do the oil change on it, coolant change, all the fluids basically. Get that wheel on the left side unstuck. Then take the valve covers off and the air cleaner, repaint them. Make it look a little pretty. Make her look like polished crap, but
Maybe that'll be the title of the video, Polished Crap Update.
yeah. She's coming together. She's in a lot better condition than I thought.
Yeah, hey, someone out there is having a good time looking at it. Someone enjoys it.
Yep.
It's a nice truck.
Huh?
I say it's a nice truck.
Oh yeah. Apparently, so me and Todd talked about it. Oh, we're missing this one. Me and Todd talked about some ideas that we're gonna do. We're gonna get this running, sell it. He wants whatever money he put into it, because apparently I can sell this for $6 grand.
Hey, if you actually do what you need to, yeah. Like give it a new bed, a running, driving.
He's gonna pay for the bed and shit, and whatever money he put into it, he wants back, so about $2 grand. Then I get $4 grand profit. Sell this. Sell the 07.
He already made it. You hear that? The $4,000 profit is just already made. How convenient. It's over. He's already got the GT500.
Yeah.
He's actually, look, there he goes, racing. Wait, where is he? Nobody.
But, sell the 07 Mustang, get it painted, sell for 16.
Also already sold for 16. On the dot, not 16.5, not 15.5, nah, man.
I want 16 out of it. That's
16, cold hard cash. Get ready, fellas. Start saving up. It's on discount.
We're gonna sell his T-Bird. Make $3,000 off of that. We're gonna sell the Lincoln. And we're gonna sell the Bentley.
What are you gonna sell the Lincoln for?
Ty was like, we can sell it for $2,000. I'm like, we can get 8 out of that.
I want it. I'll buy it.
You buy that Lincoln? Yeah. Well, talk to Todd about a price. We'll get it running for you and shit.
Yeah. Oh, and you'll get it running dirty. All right. Yeah.
Well, I mean, you can buy it as is and get it running yourself.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna do that.
Or we can get it running for you. It's your choice.
What do you pay? 600? 1100?
1100 for it. So I'm guessing he wants at least 2 to 3 out of it.
2 to 3 just said 2. What are you doing out here adding a K for?
All right, fine. 2.
2 sold. I'm gonna hit him with 1.5.
Yeah, we're gonna, at the end of this, I think, I didn't even tell Braylon about this. She's like, what's happening? Because I told her I was pissed off last night, then I randomly texted her, I'm like, I figured it out.
I heard it.
She's still, no, she's not intact. God dang it. Okay, I need another spark plug anyways.
You just break that young guy?
I just broke that young guy.
There you go. I heard it. I was like thinking, I was like,
that too.
I'm just gonna have to edit this shit out. And then it was you. Bah!
Yeah, it's minus what just happened. It's a good trick. Minus what's
It happens. It does happen. Sometimes we put them in backwards. Sometimes we overcrank them. You know, this is a how-to, not tutorial.
Don't do what I'm doing. This is an unredneck way of doing things.
What's left of it? Factory.
You want to eat it?
Nope. Not even for a sec.
I broke 2 spark plugs so far. Don't do what I'm doing.
What is that? $60?
4, maybe.
$4?
Somewhere around there.
Oh shit!
It shouldn't be too bad. Spark plugs aren't expensive. They are very, very cheap compared to other car parts in this world.
Good to know. For a Corvette, I swear it was like $300.
Really?
Yeah, I was like, fuck that. I'll run them bare.
I usually run Motorcraft ones because that's like top tier brand for these cars.
You realize we just made a whole YouTube video right now? It's as simple as that.
You better at me in that.
Oh, he made a YouTube channel. What's it called? You can look him up at
It's at that red 3 valve. Same thing as my Instagram username.
So say it again.
That red 3 valve.
Alright, we'll tag him. It's gonna be started with
Do that as like a cover picture. Come on.
This really just ended up being a story time with Xavier because he did a broke shit.
I'm good at doing that, dude.
It happens.
Alright, now I just need to find 2 spark plugs because I stripped this one.
You stripped it. Would you crank her too much?
No, it's that hole that I was telling you about that has all that gunk in it. I'm pretty sure there's gunk in the threads that I didn't know about. So, that's why it was hard to
Oh, you know, I just realized you could have been talking with that sign in the background. It's probably been back there. That's cool.
Yeah.
It's super cool. We
Oh,
got
do you
some
wanna
cool
see a
cars in the front.
You want to see a little ant nest?
I've been seeing them on the. Oh, they're in here. Gone rogue. You see it? Oh yeah. What are they eating? Your engine. They got food in here.
I'm pretty sure there's a maggots.
There you go. What are you just gonna burn them up?
Yeah, basically.
There you go. No better way than that.
It gives me an excuse to get some that bug crap, because we were trying to use it on weeds, see if it actually works. The off stuff, I think it's called. But I need to go grab more spark plugs before it continues. So
Updates. Look out. That was just a quick little update video.
yeah.
Obviously, more is gonna happen. What are we doing in the back?
On the bed and shit.
Yeah.
We're gonna find a new bed for it. Then when the bed's off, we're gonna replace the tank. We're gonna clean out the fuel lines.
What's wrong with the tank?
It's probably rusted out.
Probably. Did you look under it?
I don't even want to attempt to try to get it back.
Goodness me.
Is it rusted?
I don't know.
Well, gonna replace the bed.
I'd take the bed off and then take a look at it, because it could just be dirty.
You could have put it with the full tank, which means no moisture could get into it, which means it's not rusty. You just have to replace the fuel. But I also have to get this wheel unstuck, so I'll go through the drum brake. While this bed's off and the fuel tank is out, we're gonna try to clean up the rails a little bit, maybe, do whatever. Then we're gonna replace these cap corners best we can and do some floor work on it.
Jeez, yeah, if you did all that, you'll get 8K out of it. That's a fucking investment, but it could be worth it.
Oh yeah, well we already have all the sheet metal for it too.
Yeah, the sheet metal isn't what it costs. I mean, it just takes a while to...
Plus I gotta learn how to weld too.
Ooh.
So,
Welding action, watch out.
yeah.
If it's anything like the spark plugs, it might be worth watching.
Yeah.
Shop burnt down, next video. Gone wrong.
Rebuild shop.
Dude, what is this sad little thing?
My hopes and dreams.
Dude, look at that. Don't get too excited. You're not pulling nothing too crazy. I don't mean to what is that? What do you call that piece?
Ball?
No ball shaming. Alrighty. Are they on?
Yeah, they're on right now for some reason.
Alright.
But no, I got half the truck already detailed too.
Where? Oh, this stuff?
Yeah, that was the best I could do.
Would you detail it with sandpaper?
This shit.
Why the fuck? Why not just use some normal people shit?
This is normal people shit.
No, like fucking Windex or detail spray. That's like using the Armor stuff. Who the fuck actually uses that?
That's a fair point.
May as well just spit on it. Alrighty, well, that's the end. Take care.